Imagine having AI helping you decide when to buy and sell stocks. I will show you three powerful AI tools that traders are using right now. First, Trade Ideas. This tool uses an AI system called Holly that scans the market and suggests potential trades in real time. Why beginners like it? Real-time trade signals, easy alerts, focus on stocks. Next, TrendSpider. This tool automatically draws trend lines and finds patterns so you don't have to guess. Why it stands out? Automated technical analysis, smart alerts, backtesting strategies. Third, Tickeron. It uses AI bots to predict market moves and gives probability-based trade ideas. Key features: AI-powered predictions, pattern recognitions, risk scoring. But remember, AI tools don't guarantee profits, but they can give you a serious edge. Start simple, test strategies, and never risk more than you can't afford to lose. Subscribe for more simple trading guides, and thank you for watching.